Hello guys! Today we're going to learn how to create this stylish wall art in 3ds Max. First, go to the Helpers menu and add point helpers to the grid. Once you've added them, go to Compound Objects, select BlobMesh, and simply click on the grid to create a BlobMesh. After creating the BlobMesh, head over to the Modify panel. Scroll down to the Blob Objects section, click on Pick, and select the 2-point helpers. Now let's tweak some properties. First, reduce the size to create a smooth curve between the two blobs. Set viewport display evolution to 2. Adjust the size to get the look you want. For this example, 16 works well. Next, select everything and use Shift plus Rotate to create a copy. Reposition the copy and make sure everything is aligned properly. If it looks good, go ahead and delete the copy. Now, select the BlobMesh and convert it to an editable poly. Open the Hierarchy panel, go to Pivot Settings, and align the pivot to the center of the object. Then set the X, Y, and Z positions to 0 to center the object in the scene. Next, add the retopology modifier. Reduce the face count to 200 and click Compute. Now add a Turbo Smooth modifier for smoother geometry. Then apply a Slice modifier. Remove the negative side and enable Cap to close the mesh. That's it for the base model. Now start duplicating and arranging the blobs. Drag a copy along the y-axis. And enter 21.2 as the move value. Use this same amount for each copy to keep the spacing consistent. To make the spacing wider, just double the amount. I've sped up the process in the video. After arranging the rows, you can select everything and duplicate more copies as needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.